fantasy. Dewdrops on red roses awakens memory.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Professor Dr. Susilo Bamabang Yudhoyono, and Madam First Lady, Madam H.E Bambang Yudhoyono. Honorable Ministers, Your Excellencies, the Ambassadors and High Commissioners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nisam Bulavinaka, Salama Datang. It is my great honor today, on behalf of the government and the people of Fiji, to welcome you both to our shores and to extend the well wishes of the Fijian people during your brief sojourn with us. We hope that you will both enjoy our country and the enduring hospitality of our people. This lunch marks a very special moment for the Fijian government's 2014 calendar. The state visit to our shores by Your Excellency as the President and head of state of one of the most progressive economies in the world is an immeasurable honor to the people of Fiji. We are therefore most honored and proud to host this lunch for Your Excellencies. We celebrate today the 40th anniversary of the formalization of our bilateral relations that started in 1974. This auspicious occasion will not only be commemorated as the first ever state visit to Fiji by the President of the Republic of Indonesia, it will also be commemorated, and most importantly, as the first for the Pacific. We are confident, Your Excellencies, that your visit will leave a legacy for which Fiji could learn. That is, in your strong advocacy in the recognition of and the importance of religious diversity and tolerance. The platform of our relationship had been set by our governments during the past 40 years. This has enabled us to have a greater and more meaningful engagements in all aspects of human endeavors that concern our two countries. We trust that they will endure, God willing, into the next 40 years. I have been following our close relationship over these 40 years. I'm old enough to be that, believe it or not. But particularly so for over the past decade or so, and I must admit that it has been a most pleasing progress. Beginning with the opening of your mission in 2002 in Suva, and that of our own in Jakarta in 2011, our relationship has been on an upward spiral. You may be discussing further details of our relationship during your bilateral meeting later today with the Prime Minister. But I wish to take advantage of this opportunity to thank Your Excellency and your government, because all that we will be acknowledging and celebrating today happened during your presidency of your great nation. Your Excellency has shown the commitment and the consideration for the small and vulnerable, and your historic visit to Fiji and the region is testimony of that goodwill and concern. Indeed, the strength of Fiji-Indonesia bilateral relations has much more scope of expanding into triangular cooperation with the other Pacific small island developing nations. The occasion of your visit is, therefore, a memorable one, which I hope you will treasure. We, on our part, will always treasure this memorable visit. It is my sincere hope that Your Excellency and the First Lady and your esteemed delegation will enjoy the Fijian hospitality and whatever we have prepared for you during your short visit. Your Excellency and the First Lady, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, please charge your glasses. I would like to propose a special toast to the President of the Republic of Indonesia and the First Lady, Madam Ani Bambang Yudhoyono. To your continuing good health and happiness, and further during your retirement, which is due to happen in the near future, and to the continuing cordial relationship between our two countries within the region of the Pacific. Nimbola. Nimbola. Thank you.
President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau and First Lady Madam Adikoila Nailatikau, His Excellency Prime Minister Baini Marama and Madam, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, Nisa Bula Vinaka. First, I wish to express my sincere appreciation to you, Mr. President, and the people and the government of the Republic of Fiji for the warm welcomes extended to me and my wife, as well as my delegation. I am truly delighted not only for the opportunity to visit Fiji, but also for charting a new history in Indonesia's relation with the Pacific Islands region. Now, with pride, I can say that I am the first ever Indonesian president to visit your beautiful country and the region. I am deeply enchanted by the richness of Fiji's culture and nature. This morning, from my room in the hotel, I glimpsed at the stunning beauty of the city, Nadi. This impressive tourism infrastructure reminds me of popular holiday destinations in Indonesia, such as Bali and Lombok. As tourism is one of our key sectors in our economy, I am confident that we can develop more cooperation. Indeed, Indonesia attaches particular importance to the strengthening of our relations and cooperation with Fiji. Your country is one of Indonesia's most important partners in the Pacific in various sectors, including in the economy. I wish to congratulate your impressive economic achievement. The Asian Development Bank has recorded that Fiji posted 3.6% growth in GDP in 2013, This success owes to the sound fiscal policy of Your Excellency's government. With your rich forests, mineral, and fish resources, Fiji can serve as the engine of Pacific Island countries' growth. Your sound tourism policy and long-standing high reputation in tourism management continue to inspire many of your neighboring island states. I also commend Fiji's commitment to democratization. Indonesia supports Fiji's roadmap for democracy and sustainable socio-economic development, which aim to realize the visions of a better Fiji for all. In this regard, I wish the people and government of Fiji a successful national election in September this year. At the regional context, Fiji continues to play a prominent leadership role. I therefore wish to congratulate your outstanding chairmanship in the Melanesian Spearhead Groups, G77 and China Group, and the Pacific Island Development Forum. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased that this year we commemorate the 40th anniversary of diplomatic relations between our two countries. Over the years, our bilateral cooperation in various sectors has developed from strength to strength. I do hope that this commemoration will give us a new momentum for deepening our friendships and cooperation between our two countries. I am pleased that in our earlier meeting, President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau and I have agreed to task our officials to identify new measures in strengthening our bilateral relations. I am also pleased that later today I will have a bilateral meeting with Prime Minister Bainimarama. In that meeting, I will share my views on how to bring our bilateral relation to the next level. Finally, I am confident that our cooperation is already on the right track. The number of MOUs to be signed today will provide our two countries with stronger foundation to advance our future cooperation. And now, I would like to invite Your Excellency, as well as the distinguished guests, to stand and raise our glasses. For the well-being and happiness of His Excellency, President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, and for peace and prosperity of our two peoples. Pula, thank you, Vinaka Wakalevu. Terima kasih.